Hi everyone, just wanted to make this quick video regarding retain cycles because I just made one at work, and not gonna lie, it's kind of embarrassing because essentially I've been causing memory leak in a big part of our system, and basically I just got a PR review request this morning. I don't think this person knows that I'm the one who put this retain cycle cause, and I mean I reviewed it in like 5 seconds, but I just want to talk about it because I mean technically it's very interesting too, but also if you have made this mistake or made any mistake at work, it's okay. It happens. And if the team's healthy, their goal isn't to point whose fault it is, but it's to fix it together as a team and prevent it from happening ever again in the future. So let's quickly talk about what retain cycle is. I can't show the diagram because the tech lead who put up the PR request somehow created like a visual diagram on what's causing the retain cycle. But retain cycle is literally just means if you create like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instances of different classes or objects, these need to get deallocated or be removed from the memory, computer memory, whatever they need to be. And when you say memory leak or retain cycle happens, it means, well, when someone says there's a memory leak, it means that when this, and this are supposed to disappear, something in your code causes one of them or n number of them to not get deallocated, causing memory to be filled even though this is not being used anymore. Hence the memory leak, and it causes like your system to slow down because that memory could be used by something else. Anyway, retain cycle specifically in any language that uses ARC, automatic reference counting, there is a danger of retain cycles being created. And what it means is that this object can point to this object, and this object can point to this object, and this object can point to this object. And whenever an object is pointing to different object, the object that's being pointed at cannot be deallocated. So if something like this like happens, you can see there's like a cycle. And in this case, all 3 of these cannot be deallocated ever because they're all pointing at each other in a cycle. And this is essentially what I have caused because I did not. There's a term that you can use when you create a variable called weak. Oh, what the heck? Weak? So you can do var weak var and instance. Like you do this to make sure that this type of reference counting retain cycle doesn't happen. And I basically forgot this thing that caused this whole shenanigan. And I'm still, not like a advanced engineer, especially in this language, that I don't know how this person found out about this. And I wish I could learn from the person who figured this out. Anyway, yeah, right now it's like 10 a.m. and I've just discovered that this happened. So fun stuff. I guess I can talk about something else that I did, like a mistake that I made, which actually I should not talk about that. Maybe after I step back from this role. But yeah, I mean, this is such a common issue that people run into that affects like performance of your application, but it just feels kind of weird. Or I personally don't like making mistakes, not to be like perfect, but mainly because I don't want to cause problems for other people. So yeah, that's it for today.